Are you looking for the best noise-canceling microphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best noise-canceling microphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. USB Condenser Gaming Microphone. The HyperX Quadcast is a premium USB condenser microphone designed for gamers, streamers, and podcasters seeking professional-grade audio quality. It features radiant red lighting with dynamic effects for a bold, customizable aesthetic that stands out on camera. Its built-in anti-vibration shock mount minimizes noise from accidental bumps or desk vibrations, while the tap-to-mute sensor with an LED indicator ensures quick and silent control over your mic status. With 4 selectable polar patterns, stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional, it offers remarkable versatility for various recording scenarios. The gain control dial allows fine-tuning of mic sensitivity, and the internal pop filter effectively reduces plosive sounds. Compatible with PC, PS4, PS5, and Mac, and certified by Discord and TeamSpeak, the Quadcast delivers clear, crisp audio and works seamlessly with major streaming platforms like Streamlabs OBS, OBS Studio, and XSplit. Stylish, functional, and built for creators, it's a top-tier choice for both casual and professional users. Number 2. Logitech Creators USB Microphone. The Logitech Blue Yeti remains one of the most popular and reliable USB microphones for creators, gamers, and podcasters alike. Featuring a custom 3-capsule array, it delivers rich, broadcast-quality sound ideal for streaming, gaming, voiceovers, and music recording. With 4 versatile pickup patterns, cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo, it offers flexibility for solo or group sessions, eliminating the need for multiple mics. The onboard audio controls for volume, pattern selection, mute, and mic gain put complete sound management at your fingertips, while the Blue Voice software enhances your recordings with studio-quality vocal effects, modulation, and HD samples for a professional edge. Its positionable design and sturdy desktop stand make it easy to adjust angles and capture optimal sound, and the zero-latency monitoring ensures real-time feedback during sessions. With simple plug-and-play USB connectivity for PC and Mac, the Blue Yeti combines professional audio performance with effortless usability, making it an exceptional choice for content creators of all levels. Number 3. FIFINE USB Microphone. The FIFINE K669B is a budget-friendly USB condenser microphone ideal for recording vocals, voiceovers, streaming, online meetings, and YouTube videos. It features a durable metal body and a cardioid pickup pattern that focuses on sound directly in front of the microphone while minimizing background noise. With plug-and-play USB connectivity for Mac, Windows, and Linux, it's extremely easy to set up and use without additional drivers. Despite its affordable price, it delivers surprisingly clear audio with minimal digital artifacts, making it a great choice for beginners and budget-conscious creators. While it lacks advanced features like multi-pattern switching, headphone monitoring, and a detachable cable, the K669B offers excellent value for anyone needing solid, reliable voice capture for streaming, podcasts, or video content. Number 4. MAONO Gaming USB Microphone. The MAONO GamerWave DGM20S is a versatile USB condenser microphone designed for gamers, streamers, podcasters, and content creators seeking clear, professional-quality audio. It features plug-and-play USB-C connectivity compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, and PS5, making setup quick and easy. The microphone includes a touch top mute button with LED indicator, a gain control dial, a 3.5mm headphone monitoring jack, and integrated RGB lighting for a modern look. Its cardioid pickup pattern effectively isolates your voice while reducing background noise, and the built-in shock mount and pop filter help ensure clean recordings. Bundled with a boom arm, the DGM20S delivers flexible positioning and convenient desktop use. While it may not match high-end professional mics in depth and richness, it provides excellent value for its price, offering reliable audio performance and practical features for streaming, YouTube, Twitch, Discord, and online meetings. Number 5. ZealSound USB Microphone. The ZealSound USB Microphone, Black, is an affordable, plug-and-play condenser mic designed for gamers, streamers, podcasters, and content creators using PC, Mac, PS4, or PS5. It features built-in mic gain control, a mute button, and a headphone output with volume control, allowing real-time monitoring and easy adjustments during recording or streaming. The microphone uses a cardioid pickup pattern to focus on your voice while minimizing background noise, making it suitable for podcasts, YouTube videos, Discord calls, and online meetings. While it may not match the build quality or noise floor of higher-end microphones, it provides excellent functionality and value for its price, making it a solid choice for creators on a budget who need reliable, straightforward audio performance.